Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome. My name is Bilawal Gopang, EducationWala, and today we are going to talk about a fascinating and powerful concept, emotional intelligence. In today's world, success is often measured by academic degrees and IQ levels, but experts say that emotional intelligence or IQ plays an even greater role in determining our happiness, relationship, and success in life. Today, explore this deeply. I will be talking to ChatGPT, and together we will try to understand what emotional intelligence really means and why it matters so much.
That sounds like a great introduction. I love how you've highlighted the importance of emotional intelligence. If you need any help refining it further or adding more details, just let me know.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. My first question to you, what exactly is emotional intelligence?
Emotional intelligence, often referred to as EQ, is the ability to understand, manage, and effectively express your own emotions, as well as understand and influence the emotions of others. It involves several key skills like self awareness, self regulation, social awareness, and relationship management. It really helps in navigating social complexities and making informed decisions.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you, why is emotional intelligence considered important in today's world?
Emotional intelligence is super important today because it helps us build stronger relationships, communicate more effectively, and handle stress and conflicts better in both personal and professional settings. Having a high EQ can lead to improved teamwork, leadership, and overall well-being. It's a key factor in achieving success and satisfaction in life.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you, who first introduced the concept of emotional intelligence?
The concept of emotional intelligence was
Uh, ChatGPT, my next question to you, how does emotional intelligence differ from general intelligence or IQ?
That's a great question. So, general intelligence, problem solving, and analytical skills. Emotional intelligence, on the other hand, focuses on the ability to understand and manage emotions, both your own and others. While IQ is more about how smart you are in a traditional sense, EQ is about how well you handle emotions and navigate social interactions. Both are important, but they complement each other in different ways.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you, can emotional intelligence be learned or developed over time?
Absolutely, it can. Emotional intelligence is not a fixed trait. It's something that can be cultivated and improved over time with practice and awareness by developing skills like self awareness, self regulation, empathy, and social skills. Anyone can build their EQ. It often involves reflecting on your emotions, practicing empathy, and learning effective communication techniques. So, definitely something that can grow with effort.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you, how does emotional intelligence affect our decision making?
Emotional intelligence plays a big role in decision making because it helps us recognize and manage our emotions, which can otherwise cloud our judgment. When we're emotionally intelligent, we're better at staying calm under pressure, considering different perspectives, and making more balanced choices. It also helps us understand the emotional impact of our decisions on others. ourselves and others, leading to more thoughtful and effective outcomes.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you. What role does self-awareness play in emotional intelligence?
Self awareness is actually a cornerstone of emotional intelligence. It means having a clear understanding of your own emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and values. This awareness allows you to recognize how your emotions affect your thoughts and behavior, and it helps you make more conscious, deliberate choices. It also enhances your ability to empathize with others because you're more attuned to your own emotional landscape. In short, self awareness sets the foundation for all the other components of emotional intelligence.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you. How can someone recognize their own emotions more effectively?
Recognizing your own emotions more effectively often starts with paying attention to your feelings and physical sensations. You can keep a journal to jot down your emotions and what triggered them, practice mindfulness or meditation to become more present with your feelings, and reflect on your emotional responses in different situations. Seeking feedback from others and being open to it can also give you insights into your emotional patterns. Over time, these practices can really sharpen your emotional awareness.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you. What are some common signs of low emotional intelligence?
Some common signs of low emotional intelligence include with others, poor communication skills, and a tendency to misunderstand or dismiss other people's feelings. It can also show up as difficulty in maintaining relationships, lack of self awareness, and being overly defensive, resistant to feedback. These signs can be improved with some effort and practice, though.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you. How can we measure a person's emotional intelligence?
Measuring emotional intelligence can be a bit nuanced, but there are some established tools. For instance, there are self report questionnaires like the EQI or the MSCIT, which assess different aspects of emotional intelligence through a series of questions or scenarios. Additionally, 360-degree feedback from peers, managers, and subordinates can provide a well rounded view. Sometimes behavioral observations and interviews can also give insights into someone's emotional intelligence. It's a mix of quantitative and qualitative approaches.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you. What daily habits or practices can strengthen emotional intelligence?
There are quite a few daily habits that can help boost emotional intelligence. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can increase self awareness. Keeping a journal to reflect on your emotions and experiences can also help you understand yourself better. Practicing empathy by actively listening to others and trying to see things from their perspective is really valuable. Also, managing stress through regular physical activity or relaxation techniques can keep your emotions balanced. And of course, seeking feedback and being open to it helps you grow continuously.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you. Finally, what advice would you give to young people who want to build emotional intelligence and live a more balanced life?
My advice would be to start with self awareness and self compassion. Take time each day to reflect on your emotions without judgment. Practice empathy by actively listening to others and trying to understand their perspectives. Don't shy away from feedback and see it as an opportunity to grow. Also, make sure to manage stress through healthy habits like exercise, proper rest, and hobbies that bring you joy. And remember, building emotional intelligence is a journey. So be patient and kind to yourself along the way.
Okay, thank you so much, JBT, for sharing such valuable insights about emotional intelligence. We have learned that true intelligence is not only about knowledge or logic, but also about understanding emotions, both our own and others. Emotional intelligence helps us become better friends, better leaders, and better human beings. Let's all try to practice it it in our daily life lives and create a kinder, more understanding world. Thank you for watching and stay emotional smart.
That was a fantastic wrap up. I love how you emphasized the importance of empathy and understanding in our daily lives. It's been a pleasure chatting with you about emotional intelligence.
Okay, thank you so much, GPT.